Scott, here is the problem I'm having with my system. I have it on wireless, as we talked about on the phone. I think I have everything right. This is the lights after they've been sitting for 5 minutes. Here is my DAS light program, just normally working, and just made a simple pattern just to show you what's going on. Okay. I have a solid blue light on here. Run mode is G3, and my lights aren't working. And when I hit the key button, the command button, flashes. All the lights start flashing red, and then everything starts to work. And that lasts for 5 seconds on some of them, and then they'll eventually all stop. I have everything set properly, and you can see the second row to the right that has stopped working, and these will all stop working within a period of about 2 or 3 minutes. What happens on the display is the asterisk goes out. I know everything is still communicating because when I press the button, everything talks like it should. Now you can see there are many of them that have froze up already, and it's been less than a minute. Matter of fact, there are only 3 working after that period of time, and that is all 16 of my lights. So you can see I do definitely have a problem here. Now I'm down to 2. Oh, one just latched on red, as you can see, so I'm down to 1 light, and there is only 1 light working, and it is just by chance my number 12. They stop working at different points. Nothing is said about that. So I think I have one that is not working properly. I'm going to send it back. It's doing the same thing as everyone else has. The manufacturing date on these was January 2017 for the Skyboxes. Anyway, thanks for taking a look, and there is my problem and issue. Now if I go and press this again, like I did before, everything flashes red, and then like magic, everything stops working again. So for some reason, God only knows, it's losing the key. Oh, that one just locked up red already, and that's only been a couple seconds. So I'm going to switch them to Skybox for my next job. I have 2 AnyFi controllers doing the 2 different universes, and I've switched controllers back and forth, and even the new one I just got is still doing the same thing. So any advice or any luck how to lock these things in so they stay consistent? But I'm going to switch them to Skywire, and the other one is running the Ysicle product right now. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. I hope this helped you figure out my problem. Hey, 3 of them are locked on red. Thanks. Bye.